The definition of submodule: let M be an R module. A subset A of M is called submodule of M if let it satisfy the following condition. The first condition is A is an additive subgroup of R, and second, if small r belongs to capital R, small r belongs to capital R, and small a belongs to capital A, which implies that R A belongs to capital A. Now there is a theorem: intersection of two submodule is a submodule, or the statement can be if A and B are submodule of an R module M, then A intersection B is also a submodule. अब इसको प्रूव करने के लिए suppose A and B are submodule of an R module M, then A and B are additive subgroup, and thus their intersection A intersection B is also an additive subgroup. Let small r belongs to capital R, so small a belongs to capital A intersection B. Thus small a belongs to A intersection B. Thus small a belongs to capital A and small a belongs to capital B. Therefore A and B are submodule. So R A belongs to capital A and R A belongs to capital B. So R A belongs to A intersection B. Then it implies that A intersection B is a submodule. Hence intersection of two submodule is a module. Now there is another theorem: if A and B are submodule of R module M, then A plus B is equal to A plus B, such that small a belongs to capital A and small b belongs to capital B is also a module, or sum of two submodule is a submodule. So for proving it, first, A plus B is an additive subgroup. Let x comma y belongs to A plus B. Then x is equal to a1 plus b1 and y is equal to a2 plus b2, where a1 comma a2 belongs to A and b1 comma b2 belongs to capital B. Thus x plus y is equal to a1 plus b1 a2 plus b2 is equal to a1 plus a2 plus b1 plus b2 by commutative property, which belongs to A plus B. Here small a1 belongs to capital A and small a2 belongs to capital A. Thus x plus y belongs to A plus B. Now minus x is equal to minus a1 plus b1 bracket, so which is equal to minus 1 bracket and bracket a1 plus b1 minus 1 a1 plus minus 1 bracket b1. So it can be written as minus a1 plus bracket minus b1. So minus x belongs to A plus B. A plus B is an additive subgroup. ये prove हो गया. Now the second is let small r belongs to capital R and x belongs to A plus B. Then R x is equal to R A1 plus B1, or this implies that R A1 plus R B1. Since small r belongs to capital R and A1 belongs to R, so R A1 belongs to A and R B1 belongs to capital B, which belongs to A plus B. ये जो R A1 plus R B1 है, ये belong करता है A plus B से. So A plus B is a submodule. Now there is another definition. So the definition is if T is a mapping from R module M into an R module N, then T is called homomorphism or R homomorphism or T module homomorphism if T such that M onto N, first T m1 plus m2 is equal to T m1 plus T m2, and the second is T R m1 is equal to R T m1 for all m1 m2 belongs to M. If T is 1 1, then T is isomorphism. If T is module homomorphism on it, it is also 1 1, then T is an isomorphism. Now there is a theorem. So the theorem statement is if T is R homomorphism from M into N, so the first condition is T0 is equal to 0, and the second is T minus M is equal to minus Tm, and the third condition is T m1 minus m2 is equal to t m1 minus t m2. So the proof is, first condition को prove करने के लिए t 0 is equal to t 0 plus 0 and t 0 is equal to t 0 plus t 0. Since t is R homomorphism, so by the cancellation law, t 0 is equal to 0. Now for proving the second condition, t minus m is equal to minus tm. It is sufficient to prove that t minus m plus tm is equal to 0. अब हम LHS लेंगे, so which is equal to t minus m plus tm, or it can be written as t minus m plus m bracket, so which is equal to t 0, which is equal to 0. So RHS prove हो गया. For proving the third condition, t m1 minus m2 is equal to t m1 plus t bracket minus m2, which is equal to t m1 plus t minus m2, which is equal to t m1 minus t m2. Now there is another definition. If t is R homomorphism from R module m into R module n, then a kernel of t, जिसको कर्नल टी ऐसे लिखते हैं और के टी भी लिख सकते हैं, सो विच इज इक्वल टू स्मॉल m बिलोंग्स टू कैपिटल M सच दैट टी m इज इक्वल टू 0. देयर इज अ थ्योरम, कर्नल टी इज अ सब मॉड्यूल. सो द फर्स्ट is kernel t is not equal to 0 for t 0 is equal to 0, then 0 belongs to kt, or and kt is not equal to phi. Let m1 comma m2 belongs to kt, then by the definition of kt, t m1 is equal to 0 and t m2 is equal to 0. Now t m1 plus m2 bracket is equal to t bracket m1 plus t ब्रैकेट m2. सो m1 की जगह पे 0 रख दिया, m2 की जगह पे 0 रख दिया, सो विच इम्प्लाइज दैट 0. नाउ m1 प्लस m2 ब्रैकेट बिलोंग्स टू kt, कर्नल ऑफ t. नाउ t माइनस m1 ब्रैकेट इज इक्वल टू माइनस t m1. ओके, सो इसकी जगह पे फिर से हमने 0 रख दिया, सो माइनस 0 विच इज इक्वल टू 0. हेयर माइनस m belongs to kernel of t kt, so kt is a additive subgroup. Now the second is, take small r belongs to capital R. Here m1 belongs to kt, so t m1 is equal to 0. Thus t r dot m1 is equal to r dot t m1, which is equal to r dot 0, which is equal to 0. So r m1 belongs to kt, hence kt is a submodule.